Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download the PhotoDirector app in our mobile device. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply open up the Play Store. Well guys, as you can see, I have opened up the Play Store. Now let us simply search for PhotoDirector. At the bottom right, you can simply see the search button right here. Now from here, let us simply search for PhotoDirector. And guys, this is it. This is the application that we want to install. Do note that you can directly install the application by clicking on the install button, but in case you want more detailed information regarding this app, simply click on the app icon, and from here you can look at this app section. You can look at the events and offers, data safety, reviews and everything. But right now all we want to do is install it. So let's simply hit on install. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the application is being installed in my mobile device, though it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.